In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT Better 2026 full guide. Let's start with choosing the right tool for the job. If you need a quick fact, a breaking update, or a direct link, use the standard web search, the one with the globe icon. It skims trusted indexes and returns a concise conversational summary fast, which helps you save time and protect your monthly plan limits. When your goal is depth, think literature reviews, competitive landscapes, or technical mapping, switch to deep research. This mode runs multiple sequential search passes, follows source pathways, ingests uploaded materials you provide, and assembles a fully cited multi-chapter report. Matching the task to the engine is the simplest way to get better results without overspending your allocation. To launch Deep Research GH, click the plus icon beside the prompt box and choose Deep Research, or type the command /Deep Research. Before you submit your description, fine-tune sources by selecting Sites and then Manage Sites. Enter comma-separated domains to prioritize or restrict the crawl to trusted repositories. For example, academic libraries, so the agent spends its effort where quality is highest. If you're on Plus, Team, or Pro, open connectors to securely link your cloud systems, such as document drives or financial datasets. That lets the model analyze internal files alongside the public web for a more complete picture. Deep research begins with a prompt check. If your request is broad, it will pause to ask steering questions that clarify scope, timeframes, or emphasis. For instance, on a topic like gene therapy, it may ask whether to focus on clinical trials or policy and ethics. Respond in plain language. It will then generate an interactive research plan you can review, reorder, or refine before you click Start Research and let it run in the background. While it works, you can multitask. To monitor progress, open the full screen report view. The Activity tab shows a live, readable transcript of searches, pages opened or skipped, and where evidence was extracted. The Sources tab compiles every citation, papers, filings, and public links, so you can trace claims back to originals. When processing completes, you'll see a structured briefing rather than a chat bubble. Use the table of contents on the left to jump between sections like methodology, key fact consensus, and strategic takeaways. When you're ready to share, click Export or Download to save the report as Markdown, Word, or PDF. Finally, keep allocations in mind. Free and lighter tiers get 5 lightweight deep research queries per month. Plus, Team, and Enterprise receive 25 higher tier queries. ChatGPT Pro includes 250 high priority queries with maximum compute depth. Use standard search for quick wins and reserve deep research for work that truly needs it. That's it. Run background research, verify sources, and export polished, cited reports to save hours of manual scanning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.